Okay, here's the model heart. Here's your pulmonic semilunar valve, aortic semilunar valve below it. Aortic leads to the aorta. Pulmonic leads to the pulmonary trunk, which leads to the pulmonary arteries. These are the pulmonary veins where it returns to the left atrium. Shiny inside surface is the endocardium. Shiny outside is the epicardium. This tissue is the myocardium. This structure, the wall between the ventricles, is the interventricular septum. You can see right here a bicuspid valve with the chordae tendineae attached to papillary muscle. These ridges, again, are the trabeculae carinae. This opening right here is the coronary sinus. So the coronary sinus takes the blood from the surface of the heart and empties it into the right atrium, same as the inferior vena cava and the superior vena cava. They then go through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle, up through the pulmonic semilunar valve, out the pulmonary trunk and pulmonary arteries to the lung capillaries, gets oxygenated, comes back through the pulmonary veins into the left atrium, goes through the bicuspid valve into the left ventricle, and gets pumped up through the aortic semilunar valve into the aorta before going to the rest of the body. Off the aorta, the first artery is the brachiocephalic artery. Then you have the left common carotid and the left subclavian. The cow doesn't have a left common carotid, so the cow goes A for aorta, B for brachiocephalic, and S for left subclavian. The human has A, B, C, S. Aorta, brachiocephalic, left common carotid, left subclavian. If you look at the front of the heart, this yellow area is the anterior interventricular sulcus. The red line is the anterior interventricular artery. The blue line is the great cardiac vein. On the back, it's very similar. Yellow area is the posterior interventricular sulcus. Red line is the posterior interventricular artery. Blue line is the middle cardiac vein. Great cardiac vein on the front, middle cardiac vein on the back. They both dump into the coronary sinus. This is, of course, the right atrium, right ventricle, apex of the heart, and that's it.